A block is a reusable chunk of UI, a menu, a piece of custom text, a view placed into a specific region of a specific theme, independent of any one page's content. Before we touch any code, here's the whole idea in a few facts. Regions, header, sidebar, footer, content, etc. are defined by the active theme. Different themes offer different regions. The same block plugin can be placed into multiple regions, or even multiple times with different settings. Visibility rules control exactly which pages a placed block actually appears on. Custom block content is a separate entity type from plugin views blocks, genuinely editable, ad hoc content like a promotional banner. Disabling a block keeps its placement and settings intact, unlike deleting it outright. The block layout page is essentially a live map of the current theme's regions and what's currently placed in each. Theme plus region together decide where the block renders. Plugin decides what it actually shows. Visibility conditions, request_path, user role, language, and more let the same block layout show different blocks on different sections of the site. Custom block content, a separate entity type from views plugin blocks, is how you add genuinely editable, ad hoc content like a promotional banner without writing any code. Disabling keeps the block's placement and settings intact for later, useful for temporarily hiding something without losing its configuration. Load by properties, filters entities by a specific field value here, every block belonging to the Olivero theme specifically. Here's the real difference. Regions are defined by the active theme, blocks are placed into specific regions. Regions are defined by the active theme, blocks are placed into specific regions. The same block plugin can be placed multiple times, in different regions, with different settings. Visibility conditions restrict a placed block to specific pages, roles, or languages. Place a block into your theme's sidebar region, then restrict it to appear only on the front page. Thanks for learning with us. Come back soon.